Even if there are numerous arguments in favor of healthy eating, the majority of individuals continue to offer lame excuses. I don't have time. It's out of my price range. I have no idea how to do that. In today's video, we will see 5 ways how food and nutrition impact your everyday life. If you disregard the fundamentals of good nutrition, you are only hurting your chances of living a long and happy life. 5. Your energy level. You will receive additional fuel from a diet that is higher in nutrients, which will help you get through your workday, your workout, and all of the errands that you have to run. You know, the ones that you typically put off because you are just too exhausted from the day, like doing the laundry, for example. This could be the answer for you if you make the excuse that you do not have enough time to think about your nutrition. Consuming meals that are higher in nutrients will offer you with more energy, which is exactly what you require in order to go through the activities of the day in the most efficient manner possible. You might even discover that you have enough extra time at the end of the day to prepare healthier meals for the following day, which is an excellent way to use the time you save. A diet that is nutritious and well-balanced not only has an influence on the body and the functions it carries out, but it also has an effect on the mind. Vitamin deficiencies have been connected to illnesses such as depression and other mood disorders. Vitamins are crucial to the normal functioning of neurotransmitters, and vitamin deficits have been associated to these conditions. Eating well will also boost your energy levels, which will in turn make it simpler for you to go about your daily activities, which will finally contribute to an improvement in your mood. For this reason, it is essential that you eat well. Do you wish to derive the greatest possible benefit from your energy? Consume fewer meals during the day that are smaller in size, make sure to include all of the food categories in your diet, avoid consuming alcoholic beverages, and drink a lot of water. 4. Your weight. It is less difficult to maintain a healthy weight than you would imagine. The only thing you need to do is pay attention to the nutrition data and make deliberate decisions about what you put in your body. Improved diet can also lead to increased levels of energy, which means that you'll be able to power through your workout without flagging in the middle of it. In addition to assisting you in sticking to your fitness schedule, proper diet ensures that your body is receiving all of the nutrients it needs. This can help you prevent binges and cravings, both of which can be detrimental to your efforts to get active and lose weight. 3. Your aging process. Do you wish to improve your beauty while also increasing your chances of living a longer life? It is about time that you started keeping a record of the nutritional value of the meals that you are currently eating. Diet and exercise are the 2 aspects of a person's life that are most frequently cited as having the greatest influence on how long that person will live. By paying attention to one's diet, one can improve both the quantity and the quality of their life over the course of their lifetime. It is possible for certain nutrients to assist you in warding off the age-related decline that generally takes place in the digestive processes and immune system of your body. This is because these nutrients have a protective influence on these bodily functions. It has even been suggested that particular foods can support the body in its fight against disease, inflammation, and harmful cholesterol levels. This idea has been put forward in a number of studies. Well, do you like what you are seeing so far? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching because you don't want to miss what we have at the number 1 spot. 2. Your brain function. Have you ever heard the phrase meal for the brain? It has been discovered that this strategy is not merely a ruse to encourage younger children to consume their vegetables. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are known to promote cognitive function, and foods that are high in nutrients, such as nuts, seeds, and avocados, contain these acids. Other foods that should be included in your diet to ensure you have the most mental ability possible include the following. Blueberries have been shown to aid memory in the short term. Pumpkin seeds are known to improve one's memory as well as their ability to think critically. Broccoli, it boosts cognitive function. You may get more out of your workday, pay better attention in class, or maybe just read a book at the end of the day if you alter up your menu to boost your brain function. This is because when you switch up your menu, you give your brain a boost, which in turn gives you more energy. 1. Your immune system. A healthy diet that is balanced and rich in nutrients can, in addition to warding off disease, help keep common ailments at bay. In order to maintain optimal functionality, your immune system needs the vitamins and minerals that can be found in the food that you eat on a regular basis. Increasing your intake of the vitamins and minerals listed below may help strengthen your immune system. Vitamin A, Vitamin B2, Vitamin B6, Vitamin C, Vitamin D, Vitamin E, Zinc. Consider adding a multivitamin or mineral supplement to your routine if you have reason to believe that the nutrients your body requires are not being met by the foods you eat. This is especially important to keep in mind if you adhere to a particular diet, such as veganism or vegetarianism. Improve your nutrition, improve your life. Wouldn't you want to seize the opportunity if it presented itself to make you more productive, wiser, and able to live longer while also improving your appearance? Education about how an improved diet can lead to healthy lifestyle choices is the first step in the process. Make sure that you are getting all of the nutrients that your body needs throughout the day so that you can get started on the path to a diet that is balanced. Therefore, you should ensure that your diet includes sufficient amounts of protein, carbohydrates, fat, water, vitamins, and minerals. The next step is to take things one step further by decreasing your consumption of sweets and harmful fats, making simple food swaps to fulfill cravings, and beginning to cook more of your own meals at home so that you are aware of exactly what is going into your meals. So, that's it for today's video. What do you think of the number 1 spot? Hit us up in the comments and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for our channel so you never miss what's coming next from us. Thanks for watching.